Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorerworld.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the directives which I was continuing in my previous video. So I said that we have three directives, that is one is page directive, and second one is include directive, and third one is tag libraries. So I have talked about this page directives in a previous video. Now I'm going to discuss about other two directives, that is include and tag libraries. So let us see what is include directive. Whatever code which goes inside this what in the ampersand at the rate of include file is equal to something, that is called as your include directives. So what we include in this is another JSP files, another HTML files, like that will be going to include in this file. So how it is going to be used helpful, I'll explain with an example. Suppose I have a website and I have 1,000 pages, HTML pages or JSP pages in that. Now every web page has a header and footer, right? Suppose if I want to change after few days, I want to change my registration, or suppose you think that I have to put the contact details of the footer, and what I do, I should I should edit every HTML file, that is 1,000 pages I have to edit, and I have to save that. Instead of that, what we do with this include directives is I just keep this include file is equal to header.jsp and include file is equal to footer.jsp in every page, 1,000 pages. I'll write this code in 1,000 pages, and now see the beauty. I have a single file, that is header.jsp and footer.jsp. I just make the changes whatever I want in my header and footer, and I'll just click save. So that is going to be reflected in all the 1,000 pages which you created. So see how the time is going to be reduced, right? So that's why we'll use this include file page URL to include, that is about this include file tag. Okay, the syntax for this is percentage at the rate of include file is equal to your page URL, whatever file you want to include, you can just include that, and this is going to be kept at the top of the page so that pre-processing commands are executed before your JSP page is going to be rendered, right? And next, coming to tag libraries. So this tag libraries directive is another important directive which also reduces a lot of things. Let me explain with an example. So the syntax for this tag libraries is taglib URI. It's not URL. Okay, keep in mind. Taglib URI is equal to your taglib directive file prefix, some prefix name, whatever prefix name you like, you can just put there. So before talking about taglib directives, I have three components which I will be writing in this taglib directives. In order to make a taglib directives, I will be using the three components. One is a tag handler class, second one is descriptor configuration file, and third is taglib directives. So first, what is tag handler class? Tag handler class is a common custom logic and HTML generation. Suppose in my 1,000 pages which I have generated, I have only one single logic to be executed in every file. So I don't write again all my logic in every web page. I'll just use this taglib directive in order to do that. Okay, so that is the whatever logic you are going to write, that is going to be handled by this tag handler class. And next is taglib directives, so used in JSP to use the tag handler functionality, means this directive is used in order to write your custom logic here in tag handler class. So this is supportive of this tag handler class, right? And in order to bridge this gap between these two, that is tag handler class and taglib directives, we use this descriptor configuration file. So what this description configuration file contains is it just map the information between these two taglib directives and tag handler class. If you see this example, it will be more clear. Suppose I created a taglib directives called taglib URI is equal to Rajesh tag, and I just made a prefix is equal to Rajesh. Okay. Now I want to use this taglib directive in my JSP page. So what I'm going to write, I'm going to write this JSP code as prefix Rajesh, text box, length is equal to 10 and name is equal to username, right? So what I have to get there in my text box, my username must be entered, right? I should finally, when I'm in rendering this JSP file, I should get a text box over there with a length of 10 and the name is equal to username must be there. So how I am going to use this in every page? This must be in 1000 pages. So that's why I am writing this taglib directive. Okay, this is test.jsp file which I have written, and now let us see how we are going to use this taglib directives. I gave the taglib directive name as Rajesh tags, right? So and let us talk about the configuration file first. So here configuration file we can write it in XML, and see here web app taglib URI is equal to, what is my taglib URI? That is Rajesh tags. So I have written here in web.xml I have written taglib dash URI, that is Rajesh tags I have written. And next where it should be located. So your taglib, you have written a tab, you have created a taglib directory, and where is the location, you have to specify that. So taglib location is equal to Rajesh taglib tld. So I have written this taglib location, and where it is going to map this, since I have written this here Rajesh taglib.tld, it is going to map to the file which I have directive which I have here, that is Rajesh taglib.tld is already here, and I have written some tags over here, that is tag, I have written a name tag, that is text box, and next tag class, that is text box tag, that is tag class, and where it is going to be mapped, this one. And also I have written attribute names, that is name is equal to name, required is equal to true, I close this attribute and tag, right? So since I have written a class here, where it is going to be mapped, again it is going to be mapped in uh, that text box tag.java. Since I have written the class there, it should go to this text box tag.java. In textbox tag.java I am going to write this my custom logic, whatever logic I want to execute in 1000 pages I am going to write here, so that I will be able to use this taglib directives in every page. I don't have to rewrite again all the code stuff and all. So in this text box tag extends tag support public into star tag, we are going to enter the logic what we thought in this here. So finally it is going to map like this. This is configuration file, it will be redirected to Rajesh taglib directive, and there I have a taglib class that is going to be connected to textbox tag.java, and here I have an attribute called name, and it is going to be mapped with the name which I have created in my JSP file. And next here I can created a name tag called textbox, and so that it is going to be handled with a prefix Rajesh colon text box, length is equal to 10, it is going to map like that. So this is how taglib directives works, and I hope you understood with this, and this is about all the taglib directives. Thank you. Stay connected with explorer.com, and yours Rajesh. Take care. Bye bye.